Big fire in there. Alright, it's like 19 degrees out right now. It's Friday night. It's day number 4 without a cell phone. I'm highly agitated, so you know what? It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30 at night. I'm making something in the garage. I got no firewood. So I gotta hurry up and get a fire started. I don't have a phone, so I don't have tunes. I have a antenna somewhere, so I'm gonna try and get the radio popped out and the antenna put in it and try and get some sort of music in here. Goal number 1, get a fire started and then go get more firewood and then start cooking. Got a fire starter. So this is just wood shavings and a old candle wax melted. Things actually work pretty darn good. Basically, try and get this fire rolling, get it started, and then we can go get some more firewood from outside. And then get some heat rolling in here. Alright, that'll catch eventually. Got some more wood. Fire's going. Got my cola cooler here. Ain't got no cola in there though. I got myself some 4 beers. I'll hopefully be enough. If not, I'll have to make a run to the house. Although this is not a one-handed gig here to get this thing shut back. But, alright, so we got some Zapp's Voodoo New Orleans kettle. We got some crunch taters, hoppin' jalapeno. Got a little gator on there. Alright, we're doing sauerkraut and kibasi sauerkraut. I'm gonna throw in some potatoes and cut up an onion and get to eating. Alright, got my antenna. I want to thank Alexa for the shiv that I got off of her. So we're gonna try and get me some tunes here. One of my goals tonight is to get this knife cleaned up. It's got like tar or some shit on it. Cleaned up so I can and sharpen it so I can actually have a nice little knife there. It's making a mess, but this is all we should need. Well, the radio is kaput. I got my knife all cleaned up. Did not sharpen it, but oh well. So, get us some, start out with the kielbasa. Yeah. I'll do like about that. Alright, and then what we'll do is we'll cut up. GoPro just shut off because battery is low, but the battery is at 46%. So, I don't know what's going on with that. I did forget to get myself a plate. Alright. So all that is not junk, but not what I'm going to cut up to put in here. It just did it again. I don't really know what's going on. It just said battery's too low and shut off. So I'm going to hurry up and do this and then put this on charge. It might be because it's too cold, but I'll get back to you once this is on there and frying up. Slowly getting there. The fires are rolling. Figured out the radio. My connection up there popped unloose, but now we got radio. Getting on to beer number 3. Splitting more wood. Big fire in there. Draining the sauerkraut and potatoes into my leftover simple green. Was really hoping the lady friend would come out and hang out with me in the garage, but flying solo and making some nummies.
Don't get me on it.
Guess who came and joined me?
That was so.
Alright, time for the sauerkraut. I'm so excited you came and visited me. What?
Just watching you.
Alright, I might only need 1 can.
You're gonna eat 2 whole cans of sauerkraut. Did you just see? I don't think another can's gonna fit.
That'll work.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look at all that sauerkraut. Babe.
What?
It's like you're eating a whole cabbage.
Wouldn't be the first time.
That's a lot of pepper.
You say, you know, it's funny. You say you don't like pepper,
I do.
but I
don't like to
love
taste-
pepper.
I don't like to taste pepper.
And the amount of
Very much.
pepper that I put in stuff.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you eat the food.
These are nice.
It's a dollop of daisies.
I want the house stick of butter.
That's a full stick of butter in there.
I'm not surprised.
Oh. And that's what's left. So guys, thanks for watching. As you've seen, Stream Bean came out and hung out for a while in the garage and kind of got carried away, having fun, having a good time. So I quit filming and came inside. I ate a whole bunch of pork and sauerkraut. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.